up, y'all? What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Yeah, yeah. It's your boy Agnell encouraging you to try new things. We are in the wilderness, and this is the Inner Basin Trail. It's a little bit north of Flagstaff, Arizona. I just saw it online and it had pretty cool views, so we're gonna hike it. It's about 2 miles one way, and here it is. Let's go. I don't know how far we are into this trail, but guys, come on. Look at this. This looks crazy. Come on, this looks dope. Whew. See, this is what trying new things is all about. If you were, too scared or too doubtful to go on a hike like this, you would never experience things like this. This is incredible. I really like this. This is a lot of fun. This is dope. Look at that. My God. Whew. This is incredible, guys. Look at this. Try new things. This is Flagstaff's water.
Yeah, it used to be one of the main supplies, but now it's just a summer supply.
Wow, that's cool. And this is the hole right there that's covering it. And all that water is traveling right through here. Hello. He said it's all underground. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it goes all the way down. All right, guys, so we made it to 9,700 feet. It took us about like 2 hours to get to this point. We passed 2 wells. That's where the Flagstaff water comes from. It's pretty cool to see that. I do want to keep going, but I'm eventually going to come back to this trail to do Humphreys Peak, which is one of these mountains, one of them at the very, very top. I don't know which one it is, but I'll figure it out. One thing I do want to mention is, black folks, please hike, do some hiking. Nature is beautiful. An upcoming video that I'll do is going up to Humphreys Peak, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. It's your boy Agnell encouraging you to try new things. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.